Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning for the week of November 15th through the 21st. Whoa, how is it the middle of November already? But like, for me it's like teacher life. Especially music teacher life around this time of year. It goes really fast as we head towards concert time. So, we're going to plan using some leftovers that I have of the Cozy Fall Kit and some of the freebies that I have, as well as the pumpkin deco sheet. I might pull in some other things as well, we'll see, but I wanted to start there. I also wanted to show you my monthly, because I've been keeping track of my steps, and I thought I'd give you a little, accountability update. No, I have not hit 10,000 every single day. Sunday, man, was rough. But I am doing a pretty good job, and it's just kind of bringing awareness, which is great. And then let's take a look at my weight loss tracker. We'll talk a little bit more about Weight Watchers in this video too, since the new program has finally dropped and everyone has feelings. And I don't know, my feelings are a little bit different, I think, than others. So the first week I had a slight gain this week, which is not horrible by any means. I'm not surprised based on what week it is. You can read into that one all you want. So there you go. And then here's what this week looked like. As you can tell, I have added my extra walks in so much this week. No, it's just been with the time change, and there's just been a lot of things. There's just been a lot of things. So there you go. I'm filming this on Saturday. Still love the Cosmos kit. Looks awesome. All right. Let's pull these things off and get started. So not only have I pulled out the Cozy Fall Kit, I've also pulled out washi. You all know how great I am at washi. It's always a topic of discussion. But this is from Simply Gilded. I'm glad I picked the Blush Baby because I feel like it goes with so many different things. I also apologize for the shadowing. It's another one of those overcasty days here in Indiana, and I just can't find a great way to maybe that. It's probably the closest we'll get. So we'll start there, see what happens. No date covers this week, I don't think. Let's see what we got. We got functional boxes. Here's the freebie, checklist, quotes, pumpkins. So weekend banner for sure. This will probably be our meal prepping and planning box there. Do have habit trackers, so that's good. So let's take care of this first. Meals. There, and maybe what we'll do is, what do we got here? I do need to start picking up thicker washi, because I realized, life would be a little easier if the washi was thicker. Oh well, it happens, right? Not the end of the world. And I never know if I want the bows to line up or not, if that does something different. Do I want the bows to line up? So sometimes I use the check boxes for meal planning because, and this is one of those weeks too, there's a couple different things going on where I don't really want to write down what day I'm making said item. Fix that. More, I just want to know, here are my dinner options. Make them on the nights that work the best. I gotta remember when I start having the great idea of using washi to make sure I have my little gift card guy, but it's not anywhere to be seen at the moment. So, alas, earwax. So scissors it is. I love my Cricut scissors though. They're really good. So we got that. And then we'll label it. I don't know, I feel like I need to move them over, so, but we're not. We're gonna leave it. It's fine. Habit trackers. Do we want to put more? You know. This is where things get tricky. It may seem a little silly to put this quote here, but we really did have like more warm temperatures, and then suddenly this week it's been like the bottom has fallen out. It is just cold. I like that. I can get behind that. That is good. All right. So weekend banner for sure is happening. I think maybe what we'll do is do weekend at the bottom this time. And then sweater weather. Be in the middle. I like that. I can get behind that. Let's get our chore sticker down. I'll use the red. No, let's put it at the top. Change it up a little bit. So this is zone 3, just in time for the next week of Thanksgiving. So it's all my kitchen stuff. We'll do some more writing in a moment, but I want to make sure that that's down. And then let's do this one there. And So let go of the sticker. Thank you. So these are usually my husband works remotely, for the most part. Oh, hey, out of frame. So sorry. Readjust. This will be the video of camera readjustments. So sorry. So my husband typically works remotely and goes in 1 day a week on Wednesdays. This week he's going in 2 days, so I want to mark that off because it kind of changes how the week goes, like especially dinners and things like that. So I want to make sure that we are aware that that is happening. So we got that. We gotta do game night. It is Family Feud game night, which is super fun. Let's stagger him like this. And then over here we've got Pink Zebra TV Live. Let's do the stripey guy. I don't have to take the dog, but my parents' dog has their hair appointment this day. And again, it just helps me know what's going on with the folks. I think those are the big things. What? All the big things are down. We are going to add another checklist because it is nice to have multiples, just in case something comes up. So we'll put that one there. And then I think the other thing I'd like to do, but let's see what we got. Let's put a little, just a reminder that choir is here. We'll put it in the middle. Choir is here. Oh no. I know it's a little crooked, but that's okay. And then we'll add some pumpkins. Might as well use up the pumpkins. I think that's it. I think that's going to be it for this week. Double check, and we could use a trash night, but I'm not really concerned. Yeah. So quick, easy spread this week as I keep pushing the pages out of focus. I could put more washi down. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about the washi, to be quite honest, but that's okay. I always try to experiment with it, and then I'm always like, meh. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, nice and easy. I ended up not talking anything about Weight Watchers in this one. Funny. I'll have to do another one about that. Probably recipe spread later on this week. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you liked the stickers you saw here, Coffeeplannermom, it's where I get them from. I'm a PR girl for her. You can use my code Holly15. for 15% off your order, and you get a cute freebie that I will hopefully be showing you in a Happy Mail video this week as well. So yeah, I'll catch you all in the next one.